There's my ride right there.
And you're under arrest.
No, I am not!
Stop resisting! Stop resisting! Stop resisting!
On October 3rd, 2023, at 5:01 p.m., a Santa Rosa Sheriff's deputy pulled over a vehicle traveling a dangerously slow 20 miles per hour in a 55 mile per hour zone, initiating a stop that the driver, Merily, blamed on a failing transmission.
And you're not maintaining your lane. Okay, the reason I'm stopping you is you're doing about 20 miles an hour in a 55. Anyway, I'm Deputy Gronenboom with Santa Rosa Sheriff's Office. Do you have any firearms or weapons in the vehicle?
There's no firearms.
No firearms? So, is everything okay?
Yes, sir. My transmission's just slipping.
Okay.
And I had an appointment to get it fixed. I went to it. They didn't have the part.
I just wanted to be able to see what I was walking up on.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I did need to see your driver license, your registration, insurance today. Do you have? All right. Where's your license at?
Honestly, my wallet was stolen.
Your wallet was stolen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Go ahead and roll down all the windows for me, please.
Nothing with my picture on it, sir.
All right. Go ahead. All right. So, as you were saying,
My wallet it was stolen, I guess, because I went to somebody's house and realized it was gone. I went and asked them about it. They said they hadn't found it.
Okay.
So I'm in the process of moving.
Okay.
So I don't have my ID on me.
What's your first name?
Merily. Had my registration and everything, like.
Okay. Let's stop reaching around the vehicle. If you don't know where anything's at, since you don't have ID on you, I've got to try to look all this information up. All right. Current address?
Currently, I'm in the process of moving, but I was staying at in Alabama.
That's not going to be your current address now?
No.
I'm going to go run your license. Do you have a valid license?
I'm honestly not sure. I was paying like my fines and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
And
was it suspended?
It was suspended.
What were you suspended for?
Speeding ticket.
We're going to need you to have somebody come get you in the vehicle.
Okay, yes, sir.
All right?
Yes, sir.
All right. What's that on the dash right there?
Right here?
Yeah.
Probably one of his tools.
It looks like it's possibly a pipe that he's smoking something out of.
No, he works on the big trucks and stuff over there.
Yeah, well, there's burnt residue in here.
I'm always finding nuts and bolts and like that everywhere.
That's just tobacco, it smells like. So.
Okay.
But, I mean, it looks pretty crusted. And is there anything in the car going to get you in trouble at all?
Not that I'm aware of, no, sir.
Not that you're aware of?
Yes, sir.
First name is Merily.
But like I said, it has been smoked out of. So
Okay.
It's not just a tool.
Oh. I don't, like I said, I'm always finding nuts and bolts and stuff like this, so.
Okay. Hold tight for me, okay?
Yes, sir.
There was a little metal pipe on the dash. And she showed it to me. She's like, it's Dexter's tool. Dexter's her boyfriend.
I ran to Florida multiple times. Didn't get a return back.
She may be lying about who she is.
It
Interesting.
has some burnt residue in it. There was a faint smell of tobacco to it, but that's all I could really smell in it.
Interesting.
I got no return on my deal.
I've got to be able to figure out who you are. I don't know if you're giving me a false name.
I mean, I could give you
Listen to me. I'm running you through the computer system. So far, we're not coming up with anything. So, do you have anything in that backpack that might help me identify you? Do you mind if I search your backpack for identification? All right, I've got a prescription bottle here with her name on it.
J. Roller Road.
Can you check David for that name?
Nancy's coming. They said I can't leave until they figure out who I am.
We didn't say that. We're saying it's not coming back.
It's not coming back.
Not finding any type of
My name's not coming back on that. Maybe because I was locked up for so long.
Florida deal on her at all.
While we're doing this, just let me have you step out here.
I'm going to set this back in here.
Okay.
Let's step back here.
I didn't get anything back out of Alabama either.
When was the last time you had a license?
Yes, I've had a license before. Yes, sir.
Okay. Out of Florida.
Yes.
She's not paying on her penalties after she got out of jail is what that is.
I mean, I was in prison for
187.
How long were you in prison?
4.5 years. The prison issued me an ID when I got out. I got out in 2017.
The car's not drivable. She said transmission is out and there's no insurance. So
And my wallet was just stolen. What, like a week ago?
we found a record of you being released from prison, but it doesn't have. We don't have a driver's license number. Well, there's nothing. So
Last arrest was Duval County for trafficking heroin.
yeah, there's no picture or anything with it. So what happened to your car? Your damage over here?
I
Do
bought
it?
it like that.
You bought it like that?
Yeah, I only paid $1,000 for it.
Holy cow.
I guess.
I'm mostly worried about guns. I don't
I have
want
no
guns out the
guns.
street.
I can guarantee you there's no guns
All
in the
right.
car.
Is it okay if I check real quick?
They're not. And that's my right as a person.
Yes, it is. You're right. How are you getting the car out of here? It's not drivable.
What do you mean it's not?
You said the transmission's out on it.
Yeah.
20 miles an hour down the highway. That's very dangerous.
I know. I was going to pull over before y'all stopped me. I was pulling over to let it cool down, but it's not all the way out. It works sometimes. Sometimes it doesn't. That's all. I mean, all it has to be. Like, yeah.
She denied consent, and she says as soon as that transmission cools down, it will drive. It's fine. She says she has insurance on her phone that she's trying to locate right now.
The routine check quickly unraveled into a physical struggle and a taser deployment after the deputy discovered Merily's license was suspended with multiple active warrants, followed by a jailhouse search that revealed concealed methamphetamine.
So she had failure to appear in 2019? Okay. She has several suspensions and failure to appear.
So, what's the status on the ability to drive the car?
I mean,
you can't do 20 on this road.
I know that. I mean, it's drivable. Every now and then, it just, like I said, it just doesn't want to shift. And I was fixing to pull over, let it cool down, and then...
Did you ever find proof of insurance?
No, I know that it's through direct.
That's not what we would consider operable.
No, and it doesn't always do that. It just...
All right, well, finish up your cigarette.
Somebody's on their way, though.
Yeah, well, that's not exactly proof of insurance, you know what I mean? Well, unfortunately, with everything that we've had to do, and you got failure to appear.
I have a failure to appear. I just got help.
Okay, you have a failure to appear on your record, and you have multiple other failure to pay suspensions on your driver license. So you can't provide us with an address. We write you a ticket. No, you said you're in between places, okay? We have no place to find you should you not take care of this. You said that's where you were at. That's not your current address. Okay, well, finish your cigarette, okay?
I can give you my sister's address, who always knows where I'm at.
All right, well, that's not what we're going to do.
Take me to jail. Sir, please don't take me to jail. There's my ride right there.
And you're under arrest.
No, I am not!
Stop resisting. Put your hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back. Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Stop resisting. Relax.
Back. You're good. You're good. Good. Want to put yours on? Okay.
Stop.
I'm not
Grabbing at me. Don't grab. Just relax.
I'm not resisting.
You're okay. Relax.
I can't feel myself.
Put it in jail. Kick your feet up so you can stand up. I'll help you. Put the leg up on. There you go. Put the leg up underneath. There you go. All right.
Can I give her the keys to my car?
Listen, you already got enough charges on top of what you already got, so you don't need any more.
The car's getting towed.
Please, no. Please.
Listen. Okay. No.
Fair.
It's time to go. Come on. We're going.
Is there anything we should know about before you start searching?
Stand.
Is there something or no?
She trying to dig for something.
It doesn't matter now.
No, let us know. Just let us know.
She trying to.
Take
That one doesn't look.
Take a deep breath. Deep breath.
What do you want?
And
Do you need EMS for any reason?
you were saying there was something in your pocket.
It's rolled up in her.
I don't even know.
Up in her. What's in her? Pills or something?
I don't honestly. It was in the car, so I just.
Just calm down.
I don't want to go back to.
I'm not seeing anything.
Back to prison.
You said there was something rolled up. And
I thought there was.
All right.
I want to go back to.
So, have a seat up here. You're aware of. Okay. Step up. All that because we told her that she.
ACR when you can, please.
All that because.
All right. So, do we do vehicle inventory here?
Yes.
Okay.
Told her that she had to go to jail because she couldn't get a citation. She had some kind of knife or something. She said.
3-3.
Those are actual rocks.
I believe
Oh, here we go.
George 7 David.
So we have a glass smoking device mixed up amongst the clothing in the front passenger seat, along with a plastic baggie.
So now it's probable cause search instead of just inventory.
Here we go.
Be careful, this one's broken. Oh, imagine that.
Residue?
Yeah, look.
Holy heck.
That doesn't look normal. Look at all that.
Yeah, that's.
I wonder if she tore this off and threw it back there while we were on the traffic stop.
Yeah, she did.
All right. I'm going to set this right here.
She reached up at some point.
I found that sitting on top of the pile of clothes in the passengers.
More contact with anybody.
Following the arrest on October 3rd, 2023,
Merily was transported to the Santa Rosa County Jail for formal booking and an advanced search. Her late afternoon attempt to blame her erratic driving, traveling a dangerous 20 miles per hour in a 55 mile per hour zone, and weaving out of her lane on a failing transmission quickly unraveled once deputies began checking her background. In court, the prosecution utilized the body camera footage to show the progression from a routine traffic stop to a felony arrest. The recording captured the moment the deputy uncovered her suspended license and active failure to appear warrants, completely contradicting her initial claims of a stolen wallet. When informed she was going to jail, Merily's sudden physical resistance prompted the deputy to deploy a taser to gain compliance. The legal situation worsened significantly when the on-scene vehicle inventory turned up a glass smoking pipe, and the subsequent thorough search at the jail facility revealed a concealed bag of methamphetamine. Merily was formally prosecuted and held on charges of obstruction without violence, driving with a suspended license, possession of a controlled substance, and possession of drug paraphernalia. Subscribe to Bodycam Real Files for more raw footage and the legal outcomes of high-stakes police encounters.